What's up, family? Now we're going to step into one of the most used indicators in the entire market. Almost every trader watches this, right? Advanced lesson number 3, moving averages, the foundation of trend trading. Definition plain English. A moving average is an average of a stock price over a specific period of time. It smooths out price movement so investors can see true trend. Instead of reacting to every candle, moving averages show the bigger picture, right? Some common moving averages. You got the 20-day moving average. And all the moving average is that, like when I say the 20-day, it's the average over a 20-day period. The 50-day, the average over a 50-day period. The 200-day, the average over a 200-day period, right? So understand these levels and how they interact, right? 20-day moving average. This means short-term momentum used by active traders, right? The 20. The 50-day moving average. This is a medium-term trend widely watched by institutions. So pay attention. But the 200-day average is a whole different beast. This is where you look for long-term entries, one of the most important levels in the market. So if it's above the 200-day average, it's probably going to bounce and run. But if it's below the 200-day moving average, and based on the volume as it's approaching, it might break down. Because if it's below the 200-day moving average, we on a downtrend. If it's above, we on an uptrend. That's just a good little rule. Why this matters. Moving averages help investors see trend direction, dynamic support and resistance, market strength, institutional behavior. Instead of guessing, you follow the trend itself, right? How traders use moving averages, right? Trend identification. Number 1, price above 200-day moving average, long-term uptrend. Price below it, downtrend. Support in strong trends. During bull markets, stocks often pull back to the 20 or the 50-day moving average, then bounce. This becomes a buy zone for trend traders. Number 3, the golden cross. The golden cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. This is often a bullish signal. The opposite can be called a death cross. So if the 50-day moving average was to cross over the 200 to the downside with volume, then we probably gonna drop or fall or take a little drop, So just understand that. That's how you can be mindful when you're in a trade. Common beginner mistakes. Using too many averages. You just need a few. You might need just 3. That's it, max, because you'll have too much stuff on your screen. Trading every crossover. Don't trade every crossover. You have to understand what support and resistance is. Ignoring price structure and support levels. These indicators should support the chart, not replace it, right? So this just goes along with all your other signals. Understand? How pros use this. Smart investors ask, is price respecting the 50-day moving average? Is the stock price above the 200-day moving average? Is momentum building near these levels? Talking about volume, right? When institutions defend moving averages, trends often continue, right? Understand that. Key is, family, moving averages reveal the real trend. And the golden rule of markets is simple. The trend is your friend, man. So like, subscribe, share, and follow for daily wealth lessons. I love y'all, family. Peace.